Nizeyimana John Kamara nashobora ngo mwaka gw'2021 abesongore Ky'Amaizi cha National Water and Sewerage Corporation bakejana ekitenso ekyokuzitera eitaka eriheihi nankaka water pumping scheme kandi hikaze ibiri ezitaka zikagurwa zaba zimwe ahitaka eryazitirwe. Nashobora ngo omukutandika eitaka ryerikabarirwemu obuhumbi 10 omushiringi ya Uganda konka abaichendezo kuhika obuhumbi 3 bwa nyuma y'okutensa.
Byanga byakunda kubera navuganye n'aba National Water nari mbabajije Biriyooni 10 tugeze aho twemeranya Biriyooni 3 bampereza isente zanje ariko bandike kunshira amategeko ganema.
Kamara nashobora ngo okurwo mwaka gw'2021 akaraganisibwa kuhebwa esente zikurwo ministry y'eby'amaizi. Nashobora ngo akaine entebekanisa ezokukosa itakariye okutekaho factory konka akemerezebwa ab'ekitongore kya National Water and Sewerage Corporation ababeire beine okumureherera.
Ewe kuvana igihe amazi gatangiriye narihanganye baranyemera ko bazanyishura na nugu munsi ntabari banshashura ubu ngubu ndi kubwira abafumbira n'abafumbira akazi yuko nenda gukoresha itaka ryanje ibyo ndarikoresha mo atazagira umuntu numwe umvunana ibyo ndakoreramo nibyo nshaka.
Kamara nashobora ngo ministry ekabetebekanise kumuhereza obukeikuru 5 bwonka eziya yanjire obwarushabangwa ahebwe obuhumbe 3.
The money we agreed is 3 billion. If they don't want to give me my 3 billion, they don't have any control on my land. I want my money or else I use my land. I'm not forcefully forcing them that I am forcing them to buy my land. But they should also not limit me on using my land.
Bwanyuma yebyo manager wa National Water and Sewerage Corporation habwa Kisoro engineer Charles Ateka Odeke yashoborora ngo eitaka lyone lyetorira omwanya gwankanka plant gukagura omwaka gw'2019 kandi okuriherera kwona abantu ababeire baguriheihe kukahwa. Odeke nashobora ngo omwaka gw'2021 okutensa no kuramuza ku kagendo meisho hagati ya mukama w'itaka Nizeyimana Kamara owarteire ahabuhumbi 10 za shilingi ya Uganda konka okuramuza kwashumye kuhika ahabuhumbi 3 konka ofisi enkuru yagaruka ya Kishangangwe iki kikaba kiriye kyebei ya higuru.
Of course over the years when I came in 2024 the negotiations were revived because I met him and he said he was ready to bring the figure down. So the figures kept coming down, and at the last I heard is that he was ready to negotiate for 3 billion, but still 3 billion was on the upper side.
Odeke nashobora ngo ofisi ye ekechura ebaruha erukurgo wa Nizeyimana Kamara yahandikirwe 2009 byoko kubanza omwaka ogu arukushabaku arukwenda koza eitakeryo. Odeke nashobora ngo Kamara n'ubugabe okosa eitakeri konka ya muhaga bushangu akuratere engenduraho z'ab'ekitongore eky'ebyobuhangwa bwensi ekya National Environment Management Authority okurekaho oburugo bw'amaizi g'abantu babutosha okozesa.
Is that he was giving us a notice of intent to use the land. Of course, he has the freedom to use his land the way he wants to. Since it is near a water source, I am not so sure what the statutes on the land and environment provide, and what developments can be done near a water source, and what distance, the mandatory distance before a water source that can accommodate any development. So,
zimwe ahangenduraho z'ab'ekitongore eky'ebyobuhangwa bwensi ekya National Environment Management Authority ahabyokukozesa emyanya y'ihinguririze emigera enyanja ebifunjo hamwe n'ebitogo. Kamara nashobora ngo n'omukama w'itaka eryo ombwijwire kandi n'obugabe okukozesa eitaka eryo nk'oku arikwetenga kwona n'omurimo gwarikwenda kukoreraho.
Rock and sand belong to the owners in the Republic of Uganda, to individuals, not government. Wetlands are owned by NEMA. Ky'Amaizi gava mubuye, hagava mu wetland. Therefore I own my rocks, I can break them, I can use them for my construction, I can do there anything I want. NEMA does not apply.
Gasha kwa Adonia Atweire ahabwa Tayari West.